We was excited. We was surprised. We didn't think we was gonna win when you guys called us, but of course it happened on our birthday, so we're very excited.
When you're ready, stop. Stop. Oh, there you go. Perfect.
Christmas came early this year for more than 25 families in Antioch.
Are you excited that you got a bike? Yeah? Okay.
And Mom, what about you? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling super blessed, and we're grateful that he was chosen to get a new bike. So we can't complain. God is good.
Contra Costa County Library teamed up with the Bay Area Bike Project to give more than 25 bikes to children this holiday season.
First of all, we just believe that every kid deserves the opportunity to have a high-quality bike. And I think it's extra special during the holidays to offer families that wouldn't otherwise have the means to purchase these bikes and helmets and just be able to gift them during this time.
I feel joyful and grateful to be able to be part of something that brings happiness.
Yeah, I couldn't be happier to be able to provide this gift to our community and show how you can have county departments and a nonprofit work together to just enrich the whole community.
And we also have the library's early literacy rolling reader here, and we're giving out free books to the kids, and some of them are signing up for library cards too.